Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl back with a quick video from Sensational. You know I love me a Sensational unit. So this one is the Waterwave 16. As you can see, this is straight out the box. So I am going to get into the specs and show what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Know what the fuck is going motherfucking on?
Turn the lights on. One bottle, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies, 3 orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
So here is her stock card. That is the Waterwave 16 1B. Nice fall color. You know we coming through with that. It has the HD lace. It is a human hair blend. It comes in a bunch of different colors, as you can see. And it is their butter lace. So look at the HD lace. It's a T part. Got the 2 combs, 1 comb in the back. Got the elastic bands. That is the hair texture. It's really soft. It's really, really cute. I really do like it. This is going on a mannequin 22 inch. So as you can see, it's a little bit harder to put on. I'm just going ahead and pushing these edges back. I'm not really doing any styling or anything like that. I just wanted to see what it looked like out the box. Show y'all what it looked like out the box. This will not be an install, and I'll show you why later in the end. But I will do a revamp video as well. So, you know, I'm going to come through with that. But this is what it looks like directly out the box. It's very cute. Not really too much plucking that you got to do or anything. Very beginner friendly. Very, very beginner friendly. I'm going through. I am just going to prep this with my hot comb so that I can go ahead and maybe pluck. If I did pluck, I didn't pluck very much, so that's why I didn't show it. And as you can see, it matches. It looks real good. It gives you really, really natural curly hair. So this is what it looks like after I plucked one of the sides so that they matched, and this is what it looks like after. So you see, it doesn't look very different from the beginning. So you can really take it out the box and really wear it. You don't have very much plucking space, but you can pluck out where it's heavy. So I'm going to show y'all what some of the issues are. As you can see, for people who have a hairline that is closer to their eye, you're gonna have an issue with installing this one unless you don't install a bald cap and you can wear your edges out. If you can wear your edges out and you are able to successfully, you know, I'd use the adhesive spray, honestly, because that comes off with water and alcohol. As long as you use water and alcohol, your edges are protected. I'd say put some oil on your hair or edges right there and then use that spray. Don't use a lot of oil. Go around your edges again with alcohol, but make sure that your edges have something, and you'll get like 2 days. Okay, so as you can see, look, I'm having to tug in order to bring it forward, and since we installed a bald cap to protect her edges, as you can see, it's closer to her eyes and closer to her eyebrows. So bring it forward made it to where it was more over her ears. She didn't want me to cut it because she stayed like wanting the fullness or whatever, but I would suggest cutting it on the edges of the ear portion if you have that issue, but after you install it and before you glue it down. So like, you know, do it before you cut, after you install, and know where it's gonna go. But if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon with the revamp. All right, peace.
can't last.
More hands, two bodies,
Came
reorgasms.
twice, I came last.